Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss the problem on Green's theorem. Okay, now look at the problem. Verify Green's theorem for integral over c xy plus y square dx plus x square dy, where c is a curve bounded by y equal to x and y equal to x square. Okay, now solution. Now first y equal to x square is a parabola lie on first and second coordinate. Okay. The next y equal to x is a straight line passing through the origin. Okay. Now is y equal to x. Now this is a boundary region we have. Okay. Now over this boundary region we need to verify the Green's theorem. Now before verifying, I write for the statement of the Green's theorem. Now by Green's theorem, integral over c pi dx plus psi dy equal to down integral over the region e dou psi by dou x minus dou pi by dou y into dx dy. First I consider for the LHS to find for this LHS quantity. Next I find for the RHS quantity. I want to prove these two are same. Okay. Now these two are same, we verify the Green's theorem. These two are not same, we are not verify the Green's theorem. Okay. Now consider for LHS. Now integral over c pi dx plus psi dy. Now for this c, making use of two curves, let's say c1 and c2. Now this boundary region making with of these two curves c1 and c2. Okay. Now c1 is y equal to x square. Now c2 is y equal to x. Okay. Now the total c divided into the two parts, integral over c1 plus integral over c2. Okay. Now first I am going to evaluate integral over c1. Integral over c1. Now c1 is y equal to x square. Now deviation dy equal to x dy. Now for these now using this y equal to x square, try to get for a total term to convert in x term. Now x varies from here 0, 0 to now this intersecting point we need to find it. That intersecting point here y equal to x square and y equal to x intersecting point is nothing but x square equal to x square minus x equal to 0, x into x minus 1 equal 0, x equal 0 and x equal to 1. When x equal 0, y also 0, x equal to 1, y equal to 1. Okay. Now 0, 0 is one intersecting point, 1, 1 is the other intersecting point. Here intersecting point we have 1, 1. Okay. Now x moving from 0 to 1. Okay. Now that's why x varies from 0 to 1. Now integral over c pi dx plus psi dy, which is same as integral over where x varies from 0 to 1. Now x equal to x into y square is x square plus y square x square whole square x power 4 into dx plus x square as it is. Now dy is 2x dx. Okay. Now simplify this and integrate. Here x power 4, x cube x power 4 and here x cube 2x cube. Now dx common it. X cube plus 2x cube is 3x cube plus x power 4 dx. Now integration of x cube is x power 4 by 4 plus x power 4 is x power 5 by 5. Apply the limits, upper limit minus lower limit. 1 power 4 is 1, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 equal to 20. Here 3 5 is 15 plus 4 19 by 20. Now is integral over c1. Next integral over c2. Now integral over c2. Now c2 is here c2 is here y equal to x line. Now that I going to use it here, y equal to x, dy equal to dx. Now x varies from here. Look at the direction we take for anti-clockwise signs to cover total the c. Now is c1. Now after reaching for 1, 1, again it come down to 0, 0. Now the next varies from 1 to 0 here, not 0 to 1, which not complete the curve, right? Okay. Now you take for opposite direction, take for only same sense, anti-clockwise sense. Then that's why x varies from 1 to 0. Now integral over c to xy plus y square dx plus x square dy. Now use this relation, x into y is here x again, plus y square nothing but x square into dx plus x square dy is dx. Now x varies from 1 to 0. Here x square, here x square. Totally 3x square into dx. Now 3 into x square integration is x cube by 3. 1 to 0 limits. Upper limit is 0 minus lower limit 1 cube is 1. Okay. Now total is minus 1. Now the LHS integral over c is becomes integral over c1 plus integral over c2. Integral over c1 we have 19 by 20. Integral over c2 minus 1. 19 by 20 minus 1 is minus 1 by 20. Now is a LHS. Okay. Now next we are going to find for RHS. For that we need to pick up pi comma psi. Now the pi we have pi dx, right? Pi is this one, xy plus y square dx. Psi is x square dy. Okay. Now pi is xy plus y square, psi is x square. Now dou psi by dou x, 2x, dou pi by dou y. Now this derivative with respect to y is x plus y square derivative 2y. Okay. Now to find the surface integral, we need to pick up for x comma y limit. Now when you look at the figure, now this is a total region we have. Okay. To cover this, we need to pick up the limits. I take for vertical shift to pick up the limits. For vertical, first write the y limit. Y varies from this curve, nothing but parabola to straight line. Now y varies from x squared to x. Y varies from x squared to x. Now x moving from 0 to 1. X equal to 0 to 1. Now that we are going to apply to find out the surface integral. X equal 0 to 1. Y equal x squared to x. Dou psi by dou x is 2x. Minus dou pi by dou y is x minus 2y. Okay. So minus of this become minus x minus 2y into dy dx. Okay. Now this simplified to x minus x is x minus 2y dy dx. Now integrate with respect to y first. Now x integration with respect to y is xy minus 2 into y integration is y square by 2. 2 cancel. Apply the limit, upper limit minus lower limit. Yeah. Now apply the x into x square minus, in place of y apply for x, here x square will cancel, minus of lower limit x into x square minus x square whole square x power 4 dx. Now this term is 0. Now minus of, now here x cube, that integrate with respect to x power 4 by 4 minus x power 4 integration x power 5 by 5. Now limits of 0 to 1. Apply the limit, upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5. Lower limit is 0. Okay. Now it's simplified is 25 minus 4 is 1 by 20 minus we have minus 1 by 20. Now the RHS we have minus 1 by 2. LHS also we have minus 1 by 20. RHS we have here minus 1 by 20. LHS equal to RHS. Hence the statement verified. Okay. Now this is the way we verified a Green's theorem. Okay. In the coming videos, I am going to explain some more problems on the Green's theorem verification, evaluate the integration by using